Tips in comics collecting as a passive income. Tip number 1. Research, research, research. If you're serious about making money through comics collecting, you need to be well informed about the market trends and demand. Keep an eye on industry news, stay up to date with new releases, and track the sales data of comics that interest you. This will give you a clear idea of which comics have the potential to increase in value over time. Key Collector app gives you an idea of what comics currently trending in the market. Tip number 2. Know your comics. It's essential to understand what makes a comic valuable. Generally, comics with limited editions, first appearances of popular characters, or significant cultural or historical significance tend to appreciate over time. Familiarize yourself with grading systems and how to assess the condition of a comic. And don't be afraid to consult experts or join online communities to learn more. Tip number 3. Buy low, sell high. The key to making a profit from comics collecting is buying at a lower price and selling at a higher price. Pre-ordering a comic book is always better than buying when it is out in the market. Always look for deals and discounts from your local comic book shops and show your support and kindness to them. When it's time to sell, be patient and wait for the right opportunity to maximize your profits. Tip number 4. Diversify your collection. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread out your investments across different genres, publishers, and characters. This reduces your risk of loss and increases your chances of finding that rare gem that could make you a fortune. Tip number 5. Enjoy the process. While making money is undoubtedly a great incentive, don't forget to enjoy the process of collecting comics. Read the stories, admire the artwork, and connect with other collectors. Comics collecting is a passion, and it's essential to derive pleasure from it beyond just the financial aspect. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience, persistence, and a passion for comics, it can be a rewarding source of passive income. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.